What's up YouTube? It's your girl Bling Mom 94 and I'm back again with another unboxing. Today I'm going to be doing the Marc Jacobs, the tote bag in the denim. Besides silver, your girl loves some denim. It's one of my favorite things to wear. If it could be a favorite color, definitely denim for sure is a part of my top 3. So let's go ahead and get into it. This is how it did come packaged. I just took the wrapping off. I haven't opened it yet. I ordered my bag not from the actual Marc Jacobs site, only because they actually went up on the price. Like, this was literally a week before this video is being uploaded. I ordered this bag and received it, and it retailed at first for $275 and then it jumped up to like $295. They must know that we about to get our taxes. We're coming into a little cash, and they must know, because what the hell, a $25 difference? So I actually ordered my bag off of the Bloomingdale website, only because it was still at that $270. It might have been $265 or $275 value. So I did order mine off of there for the cheaper price, of course. Friday came shipped, and let's go ahead and open it. This is the blue denim. And I know for sure this is the mini. It is the super big one, it's the medium size, and it's the super small one. And this is the super small one. And it is gorgeous. I actually bought these. I'm gonna show you guys. Like I said, I'm a denim girl, so I actually bought this purse to match my denim 6s. And as you can see, it's a great fit. Like, the different denim material as well as the little leather tab, it just goes together super well. So I'm super excited about that. So let's go ahead and get into the bag. So I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I'm not sure how Marc Jacobs packages their bags, but okay, so off the rip, and this is strictly going off Bloomingdale's, you see everything came already attached, and you know, like usually the crossbody strap is, you know, folded up, but this mug is hooked and set and ready to go. So, and then look, it's like text, whatever. We're gonna get into the bag. This is the outside of the bag here. So opening the bag up, it just zips, and here it's coming with that. It is just a open, it's navy on the inside, and the mini bag does not have any technology pockets, so it's just an open space. Let's actually see what fits. First, y'all know I love to use my full size Erin Conjuring planner, so I'm not seeing this fitting. It fits. Now will it go shut? Oh, I might have spoke too soon. Okay. All right, Marc Jacobs. Now hold on. Now wait a minute, Marc Jacobs. Okay. Okay. Okay, so full size Erin Conjuring planner, phone, wallets, my little compact wallets, and the scratchy scratch. It don't give me a heavy vibe at all. Like, I love it. It's so bomb. It'll be so bomb together. It's the idea for y'all, okay? I love blue jean jackets. I love jeans. That is the Marc Jacobs denim tote. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope this helped you guys out, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace, love, and good we smoke.